Life update.
Minimal ka.
Anak ka. Kada mo dagan pa sa nairo. Kanya ikaw rin nagreklamo.
Gusto ko tong trend bitaw nga, di ba kana? Tas magkuha ka tubig. Bara lagog mag ano
Ay,
ano.
kato.
I got you and
Suspect.
silver
Ay,
lining.
suspect. Ako.
Ano mga Julie?
Asa kitong suspect?
The lighting is ana.
Asa kitong suspect kani?
Suspect.
Asa to kitong mag-anana? Asa to?
Suspect.
Anana ba?
Oh,
Ayo, banta ako.
suspect. Nagpariban lang. OA na kayo.
Suspect. Murag sino.
Di ba ini?
Nagpababkat pero murag yung sidura. Angel ko ipako. Ana gani.
Suspect. Alas 10 taman pero mag-11 na. Suspect. Sa'yo na dumi mga ulit pero late na.
Naminod na mong tail binaklaya. Suspect white jeep standing sa dunsal. Uy, wala yung jeep ganina biya yuts. Wala yung jeep. Wala may sakyan. May pa sila natay ka pakuhanik eh. Hi guys, this is my vlog and I
Oh, tanawa nagpariban.
Hoy guys, tini siya rebanded. It's real. Guys, I have secret to tell you.
What
You
is
know
your
what?
secret, bro?
My secret is
No, we don't know your secret.
I am Disney princess.
Pilingon.
Guys, we don't galing mo makamantang silingan.
Whenever I see-
Hala, the light is so beautiful. Where is the sun? The sun is
There
not.
is no sun.
No, the sun is coming.
No.
Kamilo ka sa padalong mental.
Ito rin, tulo nagbakay-bakay diri. Unya yung mga tao.
We're laughing so hard, so guys. It's not laughing, it's bayok.
It's sudden falsetto.
You know, guys, that dog is staring at us, and you know what is the next?
The next.
We're gonna lakag-lakag the ero. Dili man, we're gonna lakag-lakag the elo.
Ay, ilo.
We're gonna lakag-lakag the ero. Kita maglakag sa ero, dili siya maglakag sa ato. Kasabot ka. What you gonna say?
I'm late. I'm so late.
Late.
Oh yeah, I have song for Izzy. Nuran Bongo to.
Huwag kang maniwala dyan. Di kanya mahal talaga.
Oh. You know what is the meaning of cute?
No.
It's small.
It's me.
No, it's me.
No.
Anak, dito kayong kunos kay anata. Ris. Kon. Sana. Sigma.
Sigma boys.
Sigma boys. Sigma. Dili sigma. Look at this one. Kanang sana yabuan og coffee and then if that
What is
erase.
nabuan? I don't understand. What's nabayuan? Nabuyan? Nabayo?
No.
Nabuan.
The water is dropping in my shirt. On my shirt. Sorry guys, don't mind my grammar cuz
Ay, grammar.
no grammar and accent. You want to listen to my accent? Okay. Let's search our accents. Stolen. She's running out there and there's nothing. I have no accent. She's running out there. I can.
Stolen.
Wait, isa ganito? Inakabot na ta. Isa ba? Sa tawag na katong kon ba? Si Jaren mag-talk. I just go out there. Oh, we're talking about Angel.
Kanang kuan ba? Konyo accent.
Punta tayo doon and then we're going to there and then maglalakad kami pagkatapos we're just
Mag-walk
running
kami.
there and then
Mag-walk
we don't know where we're going kasi eh.
Bye-bye.
And then alam nyo, that girl is a fucking bitch. And then yung sinabi niya sa akin na ganoon, wow, I don't know. It's freaking me out
Bro,
kasi eh.
she's just exaggerating.
No, you know, I'm just hallucinating. I'm a psycho. Nagagawa sa hikag mental. Sorry.
So guys, we're already here.
Guys, we're already here. Our hearts.
Our hearts. What is that?
Guys,
Ours.
you
This
see
is
that our
ours.
house?
Ours.
Ours? Our. Wow, our aircon is it's the sound is very very louder. So guys, I want to know you all that we have an aircon and
The accent is aircon.
the lightning is super duper beautiful.
Wow.
Then the firework beginning.
Yeah.